Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to cover one of your requests, which was related to serial port monitor. Uh, One of you guys has requested how we can add one button in the serial port monitor to capture the data as a graph. So now I would like to show you how it will be possible. And if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me until the end and let's get started. Uh, First of all, I would like to say that I have the ESP32 here, which is connected to my laptop, and also I have one DHT11, which is the sensor of the temperature and humidity. So I am going to select the port as a COM5, and also you have to select the baud rate, which is for my baud rate is 115200. Then I am using the connect. So now is connected with my uh, port, and I am monitoring this ESP32, which is giving some data as temperature and humidity. So in previous session, we already mentioned how we can logging the system. If you want to log, you can use the start logging and then stop. Then it will save the data as a txt. Then there is an item which now I added for this session is about the graph. So when I am starting the graph, basically, as you can see here now, is starting the graph, and it starts to capturing the data for the temperature and humidity. I am trying to change the sum of the values into, let me, okay, I have changed the sum data of the humidity, and here we have the zoom in and zoom out, which allow you to see the data better. So let me touch my sensor. Now I have touched my sensor, and I can see that the value now is increasing, and you can see all this value, and there is a two axis as an X and the Y, and there are the time stamp and also values. Then you can stop this graph. As you can see now, here now is stopped, and when you stop the graph, exactly this graph will capture as a one PNG file, which is dropped to the root folder or directory of this port monitor, and you can see that data as a one picture with the PNG format. So now we can get back to root file, and here you go. That's now, this is the picture, and you will find this picture as the PNG format, and exactly what you already used as a zoom out. Then it will capture that the values as a one picture and drop into root directly of the file. Again, if you want to have the better, we can say the perspective of this picture, so you can use zoom in. As once you already stop the logging, then it will capture that picture with that resolution. So this is, as you can see here now, this is the values, and also this is the time stamp for the showing the values. It's not depends on the format which ESP sending data to the port monitor. It's just only checking the port monitor. I mean, the format is it's not depends on the format of that. So still you can see that the data which is here now still now is monitoring, but it's not capture this value. And if you want to capture those values again, you can capture the picture. You can start the graph and stop the graph. This part of the port monitor, just I want to explain a little bit more that in previous version there was some more because a button which could extract as a CSV and Excel file, but in this version it's not available. If you want to have all these parts in one single we can say the software, please let me know in comments below. Then definitely I will make another version of this file which is include the different format like we can say XLS or CSV format or even XML. Just that is for your reference. And I will drop the code of the program in comments below the address of the code. Definitely is in my GitHub address, and you can find the source code of this project as well. In this tutorial, I'm not going to explain about the details of how it can be created. If you are interested in to knowing about the tutorial to how it can be created, such this we can say that app with Tkinter, please drop in comments below. Definitely I will create another tutorial about that, because I was thinking that is probably not required. But if you think it is required, please let me know. Definitely I will create another tutorial about it to explain how you can make such this app. Okay, thank you again for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to like button and support me with your subscribe. And if you have any question, again, drop your question in comment below. Definitely I will get back to you. Thank you again, and see you next one.